Witness the power of a mighty hammer that can easily overcome even such a colossal piece of metal. Are you ready to take a trip into the universe of the most satisfying machines and ingenious tools? We guarantee you 30 minutes of pure satisfaction. So sit back, relax, and brace yourself for an extraordinary experience. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to make our day better. I'm absolutely blown away by this insane radiator cutting method. It only takes a moment to clean fruit with professional equipment. Cool. Check out how accurately the exact amount of paint is calculated. You had no idea how cool vacuum packaging could be, did you? It's the ultimate satisfaction. This device allows you to achieve the most flawless leather cut ever. Now watch this incredible machine turn stumps to dust. No matter how hard you try, you will never fold a blanket as flawlessly as this machine. This mind-blowing automated order delivery system makes me want to visit this place. Get ready to be amazed by this flawlessly smooth instant cardboard cut. Look at this incredibly powerful winding process for the production of rocket engine cases. Now just enjoy the perfection of these lines. This excavator is an absolute powerhouse, and man, do I love it. It's such a thrill to watch this. The speed of this machine has left me completely stunned. This powerful machine cuts lead as easily as putty. Get ready to be blown away by the sheer magnificence of this process. The accuracy with which this machine cuts is simply amazing. Like this video if you could spend forever just watching this. It's absolutely mind-blowing to witness the ease with which a hole can be cut in metal. Crochet has just become the most impressive thing I've ever laid eyes on. I just can't resist watching a laser. It's amazing. I'm impressed by the power of this wood press. Now that's what I call some truly hot work. It's amazing how a hot wire can transform styrofoam into a work of art. I never thought I would witness a 3D printer building the foundation of an entire house. Experience the incredible speed of hundreds of coils rotating to form a stainless steel cable. And now just savor the thrill. I would gladly trade my job to have the daily privilege of observing this process. I bet you would give anything just to stand next to this machine. This is something I could watch all night instead of having sweet dreams. Truly stunning, right? This machine has made manual clothes making so much easier for one person. Honey harvesting has never been sweeter. Look at how a vacuum cleaner can make a tennis court look brand new. Wishing you had this machine at home will make you feel like a kid again. Shape anything with a vacuum press at the one push of a button. Just look at how exciting the safety shield manufacturing process is. There is just no better way to remove asphalt. How about a meat grinder designed for compressing coal? Prepare to be captivated by the production of induction coils designed for efficient heating. Behold the sparkling cleanliness. As you look at your screen, I'm sure you'll agree that working with gold is incredibly exciting. Check out the precision of this mechanism. Laser devices never cease to amaze and inspire. This machine makes doing this job a pleasure. Welding has never looked easier. Hold your breath as this laser works its magic before your eyes. I found my calling if I ever want to change professions. You are looking at the perfect system for efficiently moving small parts in perfect order. Did you know how coins are made? Tell us in the comments. Don't blink or you'll miss the speed of this slicer. It's so great when a machine cleans up after itself. Just one run through this machine and a Cuban chain fits perfectly to the body. The clockwork precision of this barrel production is sure to delight you. Behold, the cutting-edge power cord manufacturing line. Here's what gets that perfect piece of meat into your frying pan. This incredible machine makes it possible to get firewood ready for winter at lightning speed. This is pure heaven for my eyes. Experience the mind-blowing, mirror-like metal finish that this machine provides. Be amazed at how this incredibly precise machine effortlessly molds metal discs into shapes. Like this video if you've never seen so many potatoes in one place before. Behold this epic laser gadget that can bring buildings back to life after fires. Tag someone who could really use this eggshell separator. We bet you'll never guess what's being made here. Awesome! For those who have ever tried to cut potatoes into thin, even slices, this video is a must-see. Check out this mesmerizing device that cuts glass with the utmost precision, just like crystal. This giant can unload a whopping 1,500 tons of sand an hour. Wow! Check out this factory full of machines working non-stop to recycle glass and produce new bottles. I can't help but be mesmerized by this process. Metal polishing at flash level speed? Am I missing something? Wow! This robot is definitely a game changer for her day. What kind of kebab wizardry is this? We know you're obsessed with shredders, so we didn't want to keep you waiting too long. I hope you've gotten your daily dose of amazing today. I've always been fascinated by metal cutting, but what this machine does blew my mind. Watch out! This sontouring machine with its powerful oscillating blade cuts through material like a boss. You've probably heard that water can be powerful, but using it to cut metal is a whole other level. Check out this ultra-efficient tool that clears the ground of grass even along the roadside. The power of sandblasters never ceases to amaze. Watch this gun turn the process of planting into a fun and enjoyable experience. This is just flat out impressive. It's also time to enjoy the process of making a pedal disc. Isn't the sheer power of the airflow from this mechanism mind-blowing? It's truly hard to comprehend. One touch and the metal cap is ready. Cool. When you're a huge Sprite fan but crave ice cream even more. This rolling machine blends colors into the silicone to create a flawless finish. Create a laser show on any building with this compact device. You are now about to witness a mind-blowing magic trick. And check out this stunning magnet. It's insanely cool. See for yourself the power of a saw that can handle a giant like this. Even the bulkiest of items can be perfectly packaged in the blink of an eye with this handy tool. You'll never guess what this powder becomes. Impressive, isn't it? This method of transportation will give you a whole new level of satisfaction. Unbelievable! Here's an entire packaging line for hoodies, and you're about to receive the perfect one. This slicer is a real beast, cutting through 250 slices per minute. Mind-blowing. This bus assembles and rearranges barriers like bowling pins. This machine allows a worker to securely fasten tread to tires in the most satisfying way. But this system gives birth to new tires. Prepare to be amazed by the limitless capabilities of lasers. This video comes with a warning. Your appetite may skyrocket. We need these machines on my street ASAP. It would be nice to have this assembly line at home. Check out this action-packed scene, and all to protect the soil from diseases. It's hard to believe the mechanized process an egg goes through before a chick finally hatches from it. I thought these stickers were put on by hand, but nope. Did you know that it takes thousands of feet of thread and these machines to make a single towel? How awesome to see a tool that can bend metal as if it were clay. When the tiny flame tried to eject, but this guy's toy was way too cool. To understand how sophisticated this machine is, I will simply say that this highly precise pattern was carved with the power of water. Did you know that bullets were made just as fast as they fly out of the barrel? Me neither. I never thought watching a lathe in action could be so relaxing. This paper cutting tool can handle even the largest stack of paper. Now it's time to enjoy the perfect cutting of a huge rock. You've got to see how this forging machine makes perfect rings of any size. Nobody likes dirty water, and this machine solves that problem with ease. This isn't just carving, it's an art form. Turns out working with cables can be a real pleasure. Now enjoy the bending of these steel rods. Wow! The 3D printer is undoubtedly one of the most revolutionary devices of our time. Get ready to see something that's quite lovely to look at. Plowing even the biggest field is a simple task thanks to this 44-bottom plow.
Oh, if you could smell what I smell. I know, the front wheels are off the ground, basically.
If you've ever had trouble peeling the skin off vegetables, this video is a must-watch. It seems the time has come to show you the secret of how those big plastic barrels are made. Now drop everything and enjoy watching the cutting of this polyurethane foam. Isn't it relaxing? It is simply impossible to look away from this mesmerizing dry ice treatment. Now let's take a look behind the scenes and see how cheese sticks are made. Even large wheels can easily be fitted with this helpful tool. By the way, there is such a thing as a caramel pulling machine, and it is so satisfying to watch it. As I watch this process, I suddenly feel a strong desire to become a farmer. I now present to you this super efficient laser that can draw with unmatched precision, even on metal. It takes a very unique honey candy factory to be able to operate more efficiently than bees themselves. It's hard to take your eyes off the pleasant process of cutting a tire before sending it to recycling. It's actually surprising that mineral stones can be made to look even more beautiful. Have you ever seen how disposable razor blades are made? Let's fix that. Solar panels have to be cleaned regularly, but that's no problem at all with a machine like this. You won't shed a single tear while slicing onions with this tool. Well, except for tears of joy. Now look at how potholes can literally just be painted over. All bakeries in the future will have automatic production lines like these. You wouldn't believe me if I told you that there's a machine that can bend wooden beams, so see for yourself. Here's the process wheels go through before they're put on a new car and sent to the dealership. After just a moment, you wouldn't even recognize the roll of wallpaper that this machine puts out. It is simply impossible to look away from this fascinating process. I'm willing to stain my carpet just to watch this cleanup again. No water is going to ruin a golf course thanks to this machine. To understand how hard it is to make a technical brush, you just have to look at its manufacture. To keep the golf course perfect, its damaged areas are being replaced with new ones. And here's how soy sauce is packaged. Now you know. If you don't know how to clean your screens, this is what you need. This is the kind of production line it takes to provide us all with the instant noodles we love so much. Even an entire block littered with leaves is no match for the power of this vacuum cleaner. Who knew so much hard work went into making incandescent light bulbs? It turns out you don't have to cover the whole kitchen in frosting and flour to make the perfect cake. Thanks to this device, your wine glasses will always be sparkling clean. Marvel at this automatic pasta-making craftsmanship. Immerse yourself in a symphony of perfectly synchronized mechanisms that create the perfect tube. Everyone has seen champagne being opened, but how about corked? Let's take a moment to appreciate how clean onions come out after being peeled by this machine. Be prepared for a really satisfying moment. This has to be the best part of this job. Eyeglass lenses help people see better, but the process of making them will help your eyes relax. Imagine how satisfying it must be to execute the finishing touch while sitting in this harvester. I'm afraid I could spend my whole day watching this. I'm certain you'll appreciate how this device works. Now that's how you make one hot coil spring. It may not be Santa's helper, but this industrial packer can wrap up just about anything. Do you know how they keep tunnels clean? With this machine. This has to be the most unusual yet beautiful screw ever created. I didn't realize how much I needed an eggshell separator until now. And this is pure satisfaction right here. Now that's what I call truly beautiful machine work. I can't believe this is a real place and not Willy Wonka's factory. Money won't make you happy, but watching banknotes being made will definitely relax you. Take a look at the impressive power of this meat grinder. Well, that'll do it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell us which machine impressed you the most. And while you're at it, hit that satisfying like button. See you in future videos. Bye.